Hey boys, Brandon asked me to do the intro today. Don't know what exactly he's got to do that's better, but it's been a little bit. You know, we just got finished with our COV bull crap, or as Brandon calls it, the clap, which I don't know why he would choose that, but so be it. Brandon, what are you up to anyway? He's been a little all over the place today. I don't know what's gotten into him.
Yeah, we got the clap, boys. We're finally back.
Why do you have to call it? No, could you call it anything else, literally?
Got you a drink.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
Happy Monday. I got myself a little rum and coke without the coke.
I see you couldn't resist sampling mine, too?
Yeah, it's pretty good, by the way. By the way, boys, anyway, we're getting into the video real quick. We got a package that's already outside the door. I haven't brought it in yet. Ian, hold the camera, bro. You guys might like it, bro. I like it. I've been stoked for it.
That's usually a bad sign.
You have no idea, bro.
Oh my god.
Sarah is going to kill me, man.
Wow.
Should we get to unboxing, boys? This is, this is something I've been waiting for a little while. And, no, let's just go. Should we do it here? Should we do it there?
Yeah, sure, let's do it here.
Right here?
Why not?
We could do it right here.
I mean, it's too big to do in a room. We'd have to, like, sweep everything off that table.
No, I'm just pretending right now for the camera that I'm looking at how lighting will be, but I don't give a shit. Boys, thank you for joining back. We're gonna go to the room and do this real quick. Also, giveaway down below. Just comment thumbs up. We're giving away a little mystery package of jewelry I have lying around. Fake, but things we reviewed. That's cool. Every video. So do that, boys. Appreciate you. I'm not gonna lie, boys. We're kind of in a turn on that light, bro. We care about lighting here. Oh shit, it's broken.
Yep, she out.
Bad look. Anyway, we're not in a rush, boys, but we're kind of in a rush. So.
Yeah, we're in a little bit more than a rush.
Shut up.
Your girl's gonna be home any minute, and she is not gonna be happy.
She doesn't like what's in this. She's never liked what's in this or what it's about, but I like it, and that's all that matters, you know?
Yeah, right. That's all that matters.
What time is it, actually? Like, now you're freaking me out, because I'm really starting to think of the prospect of how she's gonna kill me for this one.
It's like...
That's fine, though. We'll just catch her on camera.
Yeah, murder on camera. That'll get good views, too.
I'm not gonna kill her.
No, she's gonna kill you.
Oh, word. Okay. Alright, boys, so we got this, I didn't even give you a warning, my bad, bro. We got this package right here. Guys, you know my obsession right now, Ian, you let her know what my obsession is.
It's NFTs. I think everybody knows that.
NFTs, bro, and I got a lot of, like, displays for them and stuff. I got this one here, too. I got one in the living room that, I put up when my girl was gone. She was
yeah, she
at a friend's house. Turned out she was at her boyfriend's. Yeah, we'll talk about that. That's fine. She'll have 2 boyfriends.
Yeah, I mean, she has a second boyfriend. You got to put up a picture. So it's a give and take.
They believe everything that comes out of my mouth. Anyway, they have sex on the daily, and I just sit back and look at my NFTs. Anyway, boys, this is a big picture frame of my NFT. We're calling this an $85,000 pickup, boys, because my NFT checked today, bro. It's worth $85,000. We're killing it, boys. We're doing this NFT stuff really well. I've taken many losses. I think I'm down about $1 million right now, but you know, it's no, I'm just kidding. I put a lot less than 85,000 into this, but we're gonna unbox this, and this is brought to you by the people. There's gonna be links down below, boys. This isn't like sponsored in the way where I'm getting paid to do this. They just sent this to me for free. I'm like, absolutely, I'm gonna do a video. Although I forget your name. This isn't a good look, my bad. They're good guys though. NFTs on glass, boys. There's gonna be links down below. They do this for people and they do it real well from what I've seen. It was an honor to accept this. Yeah, go check them out. You stoked? As stoked as me? Or?
I probably not as stoked as you, but yeah, no, I want to see it. God, this thing's big, man.
I want to see it in the middle of our bedroom. She's gonna kill me.
Oh.
We're gonna hang up our new TV in there.
This might be your last video.
Yeah.
Like, this actually might be.
I'm fine with that, bro. This is how I go out. That's fine. We should go outside and open this. It's
really we came to set up a beer.
Get fucking beer off my sweet Supreme table. There's already enough beer stains on it.
Oh, your sweet table, yeah.
Sarah just pulled up, boys. Oh god. Hey, what's up?
What's that?
It's not. It's cardboard in the box. It's a box that I'm using to ship things.
Okay, well, whatever it is, I'm going for a car wash. Better be gone from home.
It's not gone. It's not going to be gone when you're
home.
Okay, it's just cardboard. Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Oh, wait till she gets home, though.
Heavy, bro. Yeah, no, it's going to be right there when she gets home.
She just gave you a warning that she doesn't want it there when she's back.
Yeah, but like... Alright boys, girl is gone, which gives us a perfect amount of time to open this up before she knows what it is. Ian, we're gonna have to hide this in your washroom or something. The joke is, boys, she just like hates me hanging up art on the wall like that one right there. Like anything that's actually cool. I mean, this is alright, but it's kind of like, it's not as cool as what this would be. But she also doesn't understand my NFT addiction, nor do I.
Well, the fact that you just called it an addiction right there,
Yeah.
like.
Well, and also too, when I like sell these NFTs, if you guys don't know what they are, they're the pictures we got online. When I sell them, I put them back in, I reinvest, right? So she's actually never seen the money from them yet. So
Yeah.
she'll love my freaking ape that's on this in due time once I sell it and she sees the money. But from there,
She'll love the memory of it.
yeah, but until then, she sees this and she's like, this is a reminder of the money we don't have that we could have right now. But, oh, I was trying to
Jeez,
take
don't
a pillow.
stab her couch while you're at it.
That's a piece of shit anyway.
It kind of is. Oh, alright. Let's see the
boys,
beast.
Let's freaking go. Oh, it's huge, bro.
Oh, yeah, no, that
Oh,
is a monster. She's
whole
big,
damn
she's big.
thing. Boys, oh my lord. Oh, we got my bachelor party coming up on Friday to Sunday. Word? Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's, no one's gonna remember that
I'm
weekend.
bringing this. I'm bringing this.
You're bringing this to the oh
Be
boy.
my flex.
You are gonna drop that on the floor,
Your
I call
NFT's
it.
only on your phone, they say. Not anymore, bitch.
God damn, the size of that bastard.
Lord. Links down below for these guys, man. I can already tell I like it. I can already tell I like it. And the packaging, phenomenal.
Oh yeah, that's
What are the odds of break it?
like 1 in 5.
3,
Okay,
2, 1, 2.
4. Oh,
Thank God.
wow.
Alright, turn it off. I gotta lose my breath here. Also, a little side note too. Boy just hit me up. Use code NFTDrop20. Link down below. Use that. You'll get 20% off, man. Let's go.
No, this is good content, man. Come on, just rip it out of there. Just rip her out. Oh.
Alright.
She's free.
Holy mother of Lord! These guys kind of sick. Go back up. Those guys, I don't know, man. No hate towards them, but this one right here, I might like a little bit more. Especially the style of it, man.
Oh, damn. She is big.
Let's go. Oh, she's massive. On acrylic, too. Little sharp.
Little sharp.
Oh, boy.
No.
Boys, I used to work at a car decal shop. We also made signs for people and stuff. I can tell you right now, this is acrylic. They laid the picture on the back. Oh my lord.
Oh.
It's even got a wood thing at the back. Oh,
I don't know what.
to elevate it from the wall.
Oh, I see.
Holy shit.
God damn, man. That thing.
Okay, we're really gonna have to turn her off now. Ooh, batting outside. Don't show her that. The dog looks like a little SHIT though, so I don't know if I'd get involved with her again.
Oh yeah, dog is the most important part. I mean,
She got a little chihuahua. Like, you went from a 10 to a 7.
red flag.
Holy crap, boys.
Good God.
Yes.
She is big.
It's a beauty though.
Oh.
Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Edition 1 of 1, Mutant Ape, there's my number of it, my lord.
Yeah.
Although I wish I didn't have that number, which is fine, but then like I really have to file my taxes, you know, because like now this is public.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because nothing you've done so far has been public. None of those flexes.
Yeah, everything I've got arrested for has been public.
That is true. That's
Just from being a YouTuber. YouTube's actually screwed me over more than it's helped me, but we do it anyway, boys.
yeah. It's like you accidentally commit a crime and put it on YouTube, and you get in trouble for
gonna
it.
get this junk
Who would
off
have
the wall,
thought?
man.
Whoa.
Yep.
Okay.
She's gonna come home not a happy camper, but that is fine.
Oh boy, no, you're a dead man.
Look better.
Like you're actually gonna get dead.
Oh my lord. Let's go,
Alright.
boys. We appreciate you so much for watching. I'm just gonna sit here and look at it for a little bit. Links down below once again. Dude, I'm stoked. Stoked to be back. This is staying on for a lifetime now, so I'll have to reframe it. It's a little off center. I'll have to put more down there.
Oh man, you just
But
look
I ain't
crooked.
mad. It's a nice flex. It's a nice flex. Love you, boys. Peace.